In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for Manus AI step by step. First, open your browser and go to the official Manus site. Once the website loads, look for the Sign Up or Get Started button, usually located on the main page. Click on it to begin the registration process. Next, enter your email address and create a secure password for your new account. Some versions may also allow you to sign up using your Google account or another available login option. After entering your information, accept the terms and conditions, then click Create Account or Continue. You may be asked to verify your email address before accessing the platform. Open your email inbox, find the message from Manus AI, and click the verification link. Once your email is confirmed, return to the Manus AI website and log in to your account. After logging in, you will be able to access the dashboard and start using Manus AI features.